Hello, my name is Cormac Craftery, and today I'll be walking you through my Java project, or as my blog. So the Java project actually begins in this test game class, where you just run the program, and it gives you a set of options. Down here, as you can see, your options are to get up or sleep, and so if I type sleep, there it gives you this other piece of code, which is actually in the farm class, because this is where the game begins. So you begin the game waking up in the shack after a night of heavy drinking, where you suffer amnesia apparently. Um, so yeah, the game pretty much continues from there as you decide what to do, and what you decide to do affects how the game plays out. Um, so at the moment, see, look, because I slept instead of getting up, now I have two options. I can either fight the farmer or else clean up from the mess that I made last night. So I'm gonna quickly choose to fight the farmer. Why not? And there I receive 8 damage and I get a reward of 10 gold. So that's a bit of a trade-off there. It's up to you if you want to make it or not. And now I'll be going east to the town because I currently do not actually have west of the forest set up yet. So if I go east, I have three options here. Or four options, sorry. I can choose to go to the blacksmith, the alchemist, the general goods store, or else leave. Um, as you see, if I leave, it brings me back to the farm, but it does not actually repeat the story over again. So I do not have the choice to fight the farmer again or sleep in or whatever. I've done this by, here as you can see, the constructor. This one requires no parameters, while this one requires an int. And after you leave for the first time, you're only returned as an int. Where do I? There. So yeah, that's pretty much how far I've gotten so far, and next I'll be moving on to the stores to get them fully functional, and then I'll be moving on to the forest where I have the story already planned, but so far has no functionality, and then to the tower where the main battle will take place. So thank you for listening. This has been my first screencast for my blog. Goodbye.